Welcome to this tutorial on how to operate the MetaMask app. MetaMask is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. To get started, first download and install the MetaMask app from the official website or App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Get Started. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to MetaMask, select Create a new wallet. You will then be asked to create a password and be given a seed phrase. The seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it, so make sure to store it in a safe place. After creating your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Here you can view your account balance, transaction history, and send or receive cryptocurrencies. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and the transaction fee. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. To receive cryptocurrency, click on the Receive button and share your address with the sender. You can also use the QR code scanner to quickly scan the sender's QR code and receive funds. It is essential to note that transaction fees are required to process transactions on the blockchain, and these fees can vary depending on the network congestion. In addition to sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, MetaMask also allows you to interact with decentralized applications. To do this, click on the Browser button and navigate to the dApp you want to use. MetaMask will then prompt you to connect your wallet to the dApp, allowing you to use the app's features. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to always keep your password and seed phrase safe, and never share them with anyone. It is also essential to keep your app and device up to date to protect against any potential security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, operating the MetaMask app is straightforward and easy to use. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, and interact with decentralized applications. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your wallet information safe.